Good morning and welcome back to another great episode of In the Kitchen with Improve You. So, Monday morning, it is still not even 5 a.m. yet. Like the rest of the world, we all know Monday morning, possibly one of the busiest times of our week, which means that a lot of people end up skipping breakfast because they don't have enough time or, well, eat garbage. We are going to make sure that you supply your body with good stuff and not have it take a lot of time to make it or to eat it. So what we're gonna do today is make a super shake. You ready? This super shake, by the way, is one of my favorites. I don't like to eat as soon as I wake up, but guess what? If you wanna maintain some muscle and lose body fat, that is totally necessary to put some food and fuel in your body. So what you're gonna need here is protein, almond milk, cocoa powder, ice to cool things down, and your berry of choice, fresh or frozen. Hope you all are sipping on a cup of coffee while you're making it. What we're gonna need to do up next is we're gonna get started with our protein powder, whichever one you like. 1 scoop of that and 1 cup of almond milk. Again, we don't have much time in the morning, so we don't even want to use a lot of equipment. I just measure it on the bottle. Shake it up. Shake it up real good. Okay, once we got that, we're gonna add some stuff to the blender. Fruit of choice. Handful, okay? I used berries. Fresh or frozen, doesn't matter. The beauty about frozen fruit is that it's going to act like ice. Add it all together. Why is this called the super smoothie? Because unlike the regular protein shake, it's got more than just the protein. We got some fruit where you're getting your carbohydrates that are totally necessary to give us energy, vitamins and minerals. For those of you guys who don't drink green powder in the morning, I highly suggest you add that too. I just had lemon water with green powder.
What else could you add to a smoothie if you don't have a green powder?
You can add some spinach. That's a great question. Spinach would be my go-to for sure. So have at that. So we got some protein, we got some starches, we got some vitamins, minerals, a whole lot of good flavor, and it took us less than 5 minutes. So next time on a Monday morning when you say I don't have enough time, I don't want to listen to your excuses. Go get it done, fuel your body, have some fun, crush this week. Let's go.